Hello, guys. My sixth sense is saying you're all waiting for my presence, right? Yes, just kidding, okay? Yes. So, actually, how long does it take to become fluent in English? How long does it take to learn English in order to become fluent? Yes. So, actually, guys, it takes time to learn English and to speak fluent in English, okay? It actually, when we talk about the particular time, particular period, like how long does it take, we can say that it can vary from person to person depending on various factors, several factors, such as the time you are spending to learn this language and the methods that you are using to improve your language. And third thing is the intensity of your study, okay? And the fourth thing is the current level of your English language, okay? These are all the factors, guys. It depends, and of course it varies from person to person, as I told you before, okay? So actually, guys, according to some research, that it takes an year, okay? It takes 1 year to an average person, to become fluent in English. Not completely flawless or not fluent in English, but they can make conversations, they can make simple conversations with other persons, okay? Yes. But how to become fluent in English like in a less time? Yes, actually, there is no mantra or there is no simple technique that can make us fluent in English, guys. And of course, I cannot say in just 6 months you're gonna get fluent in English. Why? Because it just depends on your mindset, it just depends on the practice that you are doing every single day. You have to put efforts, right? Without putting efforts, without even practicing, how are you supposed to get fluency? Tell me. Yes. So please, without putting efforts, you don't even think of fluency, okay? And start and let me listen to me, guys. First thing, start falling in love with the practice but not with the results, okay? You know what, some people, so many English learners are there out, so many English learners are out there, right? They might be just watching random videos on YouTube, like how long does it take. They might be coming across various videos where they may be saying that it takes 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, like that. So what they do, they just fix in their mind, okay, it is going to take me 6 months, okay, it is going to take me 10, 1 year, right? So what do they do? After, of course, they will practice, they will put their best, they will do their best, they will give the best efforts for those 6 months. But by the end of the sixth month, they will try to analyze their the practice or whatever they are doing regarding English language. They try to analyze themselves, and after analyzing, they will not for example, just think they are not getting result, they haven't become fluent in English. What do? They will feel down in the dumps, they feel very discouraged, they feel demotivated, they feel depressed, and even they feel like giving up. So please don't fix like a period of like that time, like a 6 months or a 1 year or 2 years. Don't fix that time, you don't fix that time, because we cannot say, guys, we cannot predict how long it is going to take us, right? We don't know how much we can grasp and how much time we are going to spend in one particular day, because some days we can spend time, some days we might be busy in something, in some work or something, right? So that time, every listen to me one thing, every single effort will add up to our fluency. Even if you lose one day, guys, of course you will get down, you will get down from your level of fluency, okay? So never think of like it is just a one day. What will happen if I don't practice one day? What will happen if I don't talk for one day? No, guys, you will have to practice every single day. Yes, why? Because this is what I have done and this is what I experienced. Actually, I used to practice like a alternative days, okay? But whenever I want to talk with a person, with any stranger, like I used to feel butterflies in my stomach, guys. I used to feel nervous. Why? Because that before day, the previous day, I didn't have any practice. So of course, guys, it is common, it is natural for everyone, okay? Even if you don't talk for one day, you feel that. Everybody will feel that. Even if you are fluent in English, you will face that situation, okay? Even now as well, if I don't talk, if I don't make a video for one day, next day my heart starts pounding. If I click on the start button, okay? So that is what happens in this language journey, guys, okay? So don't, please, fix the time. Of course, we have answers for that. It takes 6 months, it takes 1 year. I told you, for an average person, it takes like 1 year, okay? But please don't just rely on that. We cannot say that, right? It just they have done some research according to some persons. We don't know if we are included in that, if we are not, right? So just don't blindly believe that time, or whatever the time period, okay? So what you have to do is just put efforts, just keep on going, just do consistent practice, and please expose yourself to the English as much as possible, guys. I have been telling you in all my videos about this, like expose yourself to English, immerse yourself in English, inculcate like a habituate to this English language, okay? So that is the only thing, guys, that is the only thing you have to do. Just imbibe the knowledge, everything in English. You have to take everything from in English to your mind, okay? Then only it is going to be possible. Who knows, guys, who knows that you may become fluent in English in just 6 months if you do consistent practice, if you just expose yourself to English every single day without skipping one day. Who knows it, right? You may create a history by just practicing every day for 3 months continuously and becoming fluent in English. Yeah. So never think of yourself that you are less than others, okay? You may become fluent in English very quickly. Of course, even it is going to be okay, guys. Even if you are going to take some time, even more than others, because some people can learn a little bit, like a little quicker than others, right? Like a quick graspers, they will be quick graspers out there, right? So you don't compare yourself when you are in the journey of English. Why? Because we are not same, guys. We are not same when we talk about the journey. Why? Yes, they might be doing every single day, but you might be doing some job, you might be busy in something, so you might not practice that particular day. As I told you before, that every single day adds up to your fluency. Even if you lose, even if you don't practice for one day, you will definitely lose your fluency. So actually, we don't know the situation, right? We don't know that person who is a fluent, and about you, and that situation. We don't know that situations, right? So please never compare yourself to the one who is a fluent in English, okay? Because the situation is completely different what you actually think, okay? Yes. So that is what you have to do, guys. You just put efforts and try to speak as much as possible to as many people as you can every single day, okay? Guys, learning language is a lifelong journey. So please, you don't fix the time, okay? And just start learning, and without thinking about the results. Initially, we should not think about the result, guys. You should put efforts, you should think about the efforts that you are gonna apply to become fluent in English, okay? And of course, guys, everyone has different qualities, right? So for them it may take some months, and for you it may take for some years. So what's gonna matter, guys? What's gonna matter? Like, we all need fluency. Let it take the time that it needs, okay? Don't be harsh on yourself in the journey of English fluency, okay? Don't be harsh on yourself, okay? Just give yourself time, learn everything, and every single day, okay? Slowly, at a snail's pace, okay? Even if it is a little bit, try to learn every day. Don't lose that consistency, guys. Okay, if you lose that consistency, you will definitely see like lose you will definitely lose that fluency. Okay, so please don't lose that consistency, and please keep on going. Whatever you are doing all these days is going good, and of course you should keep on doing what you are doing, what you have been doing. Just give little more efforts, some more efforts that can add up to your fluency. Okay, just try to follow some methods that can make you reach that fluency very quickly. Okay, and while you are learning something, please try to enjoy the process. Don't feel burdensome, guys. Why? Because if you feel burden, you don't feel like learning it, you don't feel like loving it. Okay, so try to love it and enjoy it. Okay, yes, so that's all I want to say, guys. So please try to give yourself time. Let the time it needs, let it take the time it needs, and go very slowly. There is no rush. Okay, just give yourself time, learn peacefully. We will all grow together. Okay, we will all grow together, we will flourish together. Okay, I assure you, I will lead you all to that point, to fluency, and I will be also coming along with you all. Why? Because I also need that fluency, right? Yes, and you know what, guys, you can expect to be conversational in this language within 6 to 12 months. So you don't worry, you can make conversations easily. Okay, even if you are very bad at English, you don't worry, you can make, I can assure you that you can make within 1 year. You can talk freely. Okay, yeah, you maybe not become fluent in this language, but you can make conversation. So just be positive about it, and start learning and start practicing, and don't forget to be consistent. Okay, yes, that's all I wanted to say. So yes, guys, catch you all in my next video. Until then, please stay positive, and please don't forget not to subscribe but to appreciate yourself every single day. Why? Because you deserve it. You deserve it. Okay, bye bye.